Class 7 NCERT Chapter 11 Question 11 Describe the functions of heart. Heart के functions बताने हैं. The answer is the heart is an organ. The heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for the transport of blood, which carries other substance with it. The heart has four chambers. The two upper chambers are called atria, and the two lower chambers are called the ventricles. The partition between the chambers helps to avoid mixing up of blood rich in oxygen with the blood rich in carbon dioxide. Blood flows from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart, from where it is pumped to the rest of the body. That's